Hey Boost family, I'm Coach Gwen. I've been a coach for Boost XXL for the past 2 years. My favorite thing about Boost is how invested we are in each other's lives. And not just our scholars, but our junior coaches, parents, our directors and staffing. Like, everybody gets love and respect across the board. I've had scholars come to me and ask for advice when they want to become junior coaches. I've read college essays from junior coaches who are now freshmen and sophomores. I've seen a parent of one of my past scholars not only run but actually win the position for the Durham County School Board, and that's something that we all were excited for and campaigned for. So it's like, it goes way beyond the 4 hours at Science Saturday or the field trip. This is a community that really loves and respects and uplifts each other, and that's not something that you're gonna get in any other program.
Guys, my name is Brianna. I am a junior coach in training for the Boost XL cohort. And one of the things I would say to kids who are on the fence about joining Boost is do it. Because it's such an amazing experience to be at Boost. I know that some kids may be scared, and maybe that could be you, who are just shy and are not into being a part of big groups, or you're saying, oh, I'm not good in science, or I don't like science. Well, you don't know if you like science if you don't experience being exposed to science. The way Boost exposes it to you is just an amazing thing. You can go on field trips too. I mean, you can go to the Duke Marine Labs, which was such an amazing experience for me. You can go to Washington, D.C. Again, amazing. But the best part about Boost is that we are such a big family. We all love each other so much. I think you guys will be perfect for it. We would love to have you guys as new members of the Boost family. So please do it.